Good morning and welcome to all of you in Mumbai, all of you in different cities in India, and my friends who are overseas who will be watching this video at some point of time or the other. Now, in my quest and endeavor to bring you new and unique topics on a myriad of subjects across the training, spectrum, I want to touch on a subject, on a topic this morning, which I don't think many do. I'm happy if a lot of you do it, but I wish more and more of you do this. It's called Count Your Blessings. How grateful are you for what you have right now? Because what you have right now, people are praying for it. What you have right now, people are, going to the temple, going to the church, and praying in their respective places for that what you have right now. What you have is a blessing. How grateful are you for what you have been given? Some crave for it. Be mindful. This morning, let's go ahead and see how we can count our blessings. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings and name them one by one. That's when you will see the magic of what the Lord has done. Let me take you along. Let's look at giving 10 gratitude sentences for the life you have. 10 gratitude sentences for the life you have. Let's give 5 gratitude sentences to keep you safe, secure, and protected in the divine palms of the Almighty Universe from this pandemic. Let's give 5 gratitude sentences for your family members, for your parents, for your siblings, for your significant one, for your spouse, for your partner, for your date, for your crush, girlfriend, boyfriend. 5 gratitude sentences. Can we do that? Can we give 5 gratitude sentences for each and every family member that we live in? Each and every family member. Gratitude. Say 5 lovely things about that particular person. Say it in your mind. That's okay. But give gratitude. Give 10 gratitude sentences for the materials and luxuries you have been provided with. Maybe it's a very old Dodge car. You don't get that Dodge car today. Maybe it's a very old Fiat, which we used to see in the late 70s and early 80s. You still have that car. Thank the Almighty for that. You've got a lot of vehicular automobile explosion happening after that, and people have limited editions today. But still thank the universe for that car He gave you 20 years ago. Because that car which you have, people can't even afford to buy it today. You can't afford to buy those cars today. It will go as a premium, right? So thank the universe for all that luxury He has given you. Give 10 gratitude sentences for your parents. Mummies, daddies, papas, mamas. Give 10 gratitude sentences for each of them. God can't be everywhere. So what He does? Gives you parents. That can't be bigger than this, right? So, while you have your parents, some are praying for them. Some have lost them long ago. So give gratitude. Give 5 gratitude sentences for the current job you have. Look at the people being offloaded, given pink slips, laid off. People are not sure whether they'll go to work and come back with a job in the evening. The landscape for opportunity is getting a little turbulent, but it's not that bad. There's always something better for you. But you need to give gratitude for that job that you have right now. There are so many people who are looking out for that. As trainers, facilitators, give 10 gratitude sentences for those training sessions which you did online in the last 2 months, right? Give 10 gratitude sentences for the people who don't like you, who detest you, who hate you, who envy you. Give 10 gratitude sentences for them. See the good in them also. No matter whether they don't like you, but see the good in them. Do this and live a better life. I'll say that again. Do this and live a better life, or avoid this. You're anyways existing. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for all such videos to be received in your inbox as notifications, because I'll bring you more such videos to enrich your knowledge, upgrade and update you. Until then, my friends, keep giving gratitude, keep counting your blessings, keep building your skills, and keep receiving blessings, eternal love, grace from the Almighty Universe. You take care, my friends, and bye-bye.